We all are aware that self improvement brings us loneliness, and we know that after this journey ends, there's something good waiting for us. There's something better waiting for us than this life. We still have hope, right? But we don't really like to discuss the, disadvantage of self improvement. You can call this a fear of mine or phobia of mine or something, but I have this fear that if I cut off all of my friends in the self improvement journey, and after this journey ends, I don't happen to be successful, then I'm actually left alone, unsuccessful, and alone, right? So, what will I do then? This fear is in the back of my mind, like it nags me, and I always get, just flustered up whenever I think about this. Whenever I think about refusing my friends for another hangout, I think that what if this happens? And most of the times, I end up going, I end up hanging out with them because of this fear. And this is something that I've been meaning to solve from a longer amount of time, but I just can't. No matter how many books I read, no matter how many socializing I do, this fear is something that is with me from a long amount of time. And I just want to know if any of you feel this too. I've been in the lonely chapter of self improvement from the past 1 year. I started self improvement in the month of June in 2023, and since then, I am in the lonely chapter because after that, I cut it off all of my friends because I realized that they were not a good influence on me, and because of that, I ended up ending my relationship too. And after that, I just felt very lonely because I had no one to talk to, I had no one to relate to anymore. So I just felt my peace and felt my, happiness in the selfness of my journey, in the seldom of my journey. I started making progress in gym, I started making progress in studies and just in my business too. But the thing is, I'm still in this lonely chapter. It hasn't ended yet. I still haven't found any people that I can say that is good, that are good for me, or I feel happy with. And I think that this is something that is going to last more than few years. This is something that is going to take a long time to go. And I still have a lot of hope for my future self, but I still feel this, desire to socialize with the same people whom I used to have fun with, but I just don't socialize with them now because I don't have fun with them. I just want to feel those memories again. I want to feel the same feeling I used to have. But I know no matter how much socializing I do with them, I won't get the same feeling I used to have while I was not on self improvement. I think a lot of people think that people make self improvement a big fuss and all that, but I think men improving their lives and being lonely in this journey is pretty big deal because this generation is the first generation to experience this, right? This generation is the first generation to experience the lonely chapter because this generation has very few men who are actually normal. Everyone is going backward in this generation, and I think this is something we should be proud of. So, be proud of your journey because I am very proud of my journey till now, and I want you to be the part of my journey as well. So, let's do it together. And until then, bye.